What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I don't usually wake up this early, but today there's a early morning meet, which is the pre-meet for Wekfest tomorrow, and it is hosted by Illiminate. I met them at the post office a couple months ago, but we didn't really get to chat much because they were up in line and I was still in the back. But today, hopefully, I get to meet them and kind of collaborate quick. We out here, so, you know, should have known the main lot is gonna be all packed up and shit, so I'm over here by myself. You know the struggle is real when you gotta pull your ECU out every single time you come out here in your own damn city. Last time I was at the Super Street meet, they tried to break into my car 15 minutes. 15 minutes in a crowded area. It's unreal. Oh, it's wrapped. It's just way too low for my blood. But it looks fucking awesome. Given the fact that it's a Skyline on Blitz, thumbs up for sure. Oh, and the fact that it's pink too, so relative fucking name Dana.
Knowledgeable content, man.
Hey, I appreciate it, bro. I try to kick it out like that, you know. Yeah. When I first did my channel, it was always like topic specific on DIYs, and now it's just like daily vlog, you know, kick out whatever.
Over there by
Osgood or NorCal. Osgood. Yeah, that's
long time ago.
Yeah, that's when I first met them, honestly.
I think I bought a fucking TV a long time ago from you, man. The ERC, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's going backward. Appreciate it, bro.
I've been watching for like 6 years now.
6 years? Yeah. Damn, man, I appreciate the support for real. Sunny himself right here, boy. What's going on, bro? Hey, I fuck with your shit, man.
It looks brand new. I don't know what you're talking about.
Man, they said they had to be careful.
Oh my.
It's Coca-Cola, guys. Don't sweat it.
He's gonna get you Coca-Cola.
All right. They didn't say take that much. The fuck say free.
Just kidding.
Woo!
Yeah. Randy already drank.
You guys are crazy. I'm good. I'll share with you.
Yeah, no chaser. On my way. Where's top?
2J. 2J? That shit made a hit out there. That shit was... Goddamn, Sonny.
Don't be shy. Oh, no, I'm good. Wait, no. Everybody? Somebody do a short run. Okay. Everybody come through. Let's open up a little circle real quick, just a little bit.
All right, y'all. So I left the meet like an hour ago, and obviously they were all headed to stage the car into Wekfest. I'm more than likely going to be there tomorrow just because, you know, it's 5 minutes down the street from me. So it was definitely good vibes. I know it was an Illiminate meet, but there were people yelling out Young Static. I met a few people there, and that was freaking awesome. So the only person I got to meet was Sonny. Thomas, there was like 3 other niggas that looked like him, and I don't know, I just didn't want to go up to the wrong people, you feel me? But I know because of his hair, but Randy was faded, and you know, he's a little guy, he's running around really quickly. I didn't get to talk to him. Kevin was in his car and you know, probably cracking that AC in there. So I'm back home. I don't really have anything planned for the CRX other than doing the miscellaneous stuff like cosmetics, you know, cut and polishing the rest of the paint, repairing the door, something, I don't know. I want to clean this catch can up. I actually sent some pictures to Wayne and Sean, and Wayne replied back and pretty much told me, you know, pretty much saved his ass, and he's happy with the turnout, and he told me he'll compensate for the work. I told him I'm straight off of it, I'm good. The care package, the shirt, the stickers, that's good enough for me. I'm not sure if he's polishing this or if he is powder coating it or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to clean it up, get all the permanent marker markings off of this, and then I'm going to whip out my little polisher and see if I can try to bring a little chrome in it. And you know, whether it's going to be powder coated or not, at least he'll have a nice polished you know, swirl tank going back to him, and then he can decide what he'll do with this once he gets back in his possession. So let me figure out what I have and what I could use to do this job, and then we'll get to the process. So what I came up with, I had this Harbor Freight grinder slash polisher thing, and I used this before to sharpen my tungsten, and this is cheap, so it pretty much, like, after 2 sharpen, it dug itself. This material is very brittle. Anyways, so this polished side right here was brand new, I never used it, and I cut pretty much the lid right here to have more of a polishing surface of the pad to this, but this is too small, and I can't get into like the corners and you know, in between here and stuff like that. But I did a quick little pass, no sanding, just aluminum polish, and I ran it really quickly here on the tubing that goes to the back of the head, and yeah, the results are looking freaking awesome. Look at that, look at this, look at that. Probably gonna whip out my bigger buffer and just kind of clamp it down right here like I've done it before, and then I'm just gonna dab some Mother's aluminum polish on the pad, and then just send it with this can while I'm using my hands to get into all the crevices to get this sucker polished out. We are almost there, guys. We are almost there. This is halfway, or half the can. I still got to do this backside right here. I already started on it right there, and shit, it's starting to look a lot more forgiving. Freaking awesome. I had to take off the nipple because it's very fragile. It's very thin where it's threaded, so I don't want to, you know, catch it on the rotary and break that sucker off. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely button this up and then get it all packed up. I don't think I'm gonna get to the post office today. They're probably gonna be closed, given that it's Saturday and may close early by the time I finish this. Oh damn, son, this shit is looking spiffy. I got my 4 bangers right there. See that shirt? And that's how reflective this thing is. With the help of my buffer and my little hand polisher, just deeply buffed on this material, and it pretty much wiped out that dull looking aluminum finish and gave me this nice polish finish. Freaking awesome, looking a ton better. And what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to try to find a hose that I have maybe long enough to go from here, clamp it down, loop it around over here, and then I'm going to block this guy off as well, fill it up, close the cap, and then I'm gonna put a hose right here, and then try to fit my nozzle on my air and pressurize it. Not sure how many pound this cap is, but I'm not gonna pressurize it enough because water can pretty much escape anywhere. But I'm gonna put enough pressure to kind of see if there's any type of hole or anything that I may need to repair before I do send it out. And then once we're squared up with that, we can pack it up. So I didn't think about this before. There was no way I was able to put vacuum through that little nipple because the nipple is being blocked by the cap, because you know it's supposed to be for the coolant overflow when you build too many pressure up in the cooling system. And you know, obviously these caps are rated for a certain amount of pressure or pound of pressure inside the cooling system, if that makes any sense. But there's a valve in this cap where when there's too much pressure, then you know it obviously pushes up on the cap and then gives it an escape through that nipple to go to the reservoir, so you don't blow like a head gasket or whatever you know, high pressure and cooling system can blow out. So but anyways, I got a hose on the inlet and outlets, and then I got a -6 with a -5 where then I put a hose on that and then clamped it to the nipple, so that way we're not leaking. Right now technically it's not leaking, but I use my cap because I don't want to mess up Wayne's, and put my cap on it. There's no leaks whatsoever. There's still a little air in there, so like if I was to squish this, right, no leaks. All right, so it's time to dump the sucker out, get it all packed up back into the box, and have this all ready to go Monday. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for me today. It is hot and I've just been sitting right there on my phone, just killing time. Anyways, got the swirl tank packed up, and it's pretty yeah, it's pretty secured. It ain't going anywhere. I'm gonna send that first thing Monday morning. I already let Wayne know. I sent some pictures, some videos to him, the water test, all that good jazz, and hopefully he receives that without damage, because you know people be scandalous sometimes. So yeah, today was pretty cool. Went out to the Illiminate Pre-Wekfest meet this morning. It was pretty successful. Definitely gonna be out there tomorrow. I'm actually hitting up a friend right now to see if he has that spare VIP ticket, because I ain't trying to stand in that line. If you guys gone to Wekfest, you guys know about the damn snake line. So did some polishing work on the swirl tank, water tested it, you know, my ghetto way of doing things, and it wasn't leaking. We're golden there, like I said. And a quick reminder guys, I do have a P.O. box now, so be sure to check the address in the description below if you got something you want to, you know, send over, or something you guys want to contribute to the builds. Feel free to do so. With that being said guys, I'm gonna go take a shower, cool down, find a movie to watch, and relax the rest of the evening. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.